said. We're gonna have a good day, and all my homies gonna ride today.
That's right.
And all these mommies look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die.
100 miles an hour.
Yes!
Go ahead.
It's the lady at 46 South Road.
May I see your license and registration, sir?
For what? I'm driving an RC car.
Do you know why I pulled you over?
No.
Do you realize how dangerously fast you were driving?
No.
Well, do you understand that this is an illegal speed to be driving and a felony?
No.
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of your vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
How fast was I going?
You were driving at a speed of 100 miles per hour.
I want to see the radar gun.
Have proof right here. And you're going to jail.